Efficiently shearing consistently accurate blanks is not easily accomplished by traditional means. The slightest error in setting the back gauge results in cumulative errors, wasting material, effort, and money. In many plants, back gauge shearing and pin gauge shearing are the most time-consuming and costly steps in the manufacturing process. But what if it could be automated? And what if automation could be achieved without the very substantial capital outlay necessary to purchase a fully automated shear? This is the AccuCut Shear feed table from Programmed Motion Incorporated. Developed and tested in sheet metal shops over a period of 2 years and continually updated for more than a decade, PMI's Shear feed table turns your existing shear into an automated system, cutting blanks accurately and very efficiently.
Proven to be more than cost efficient. Actually, reduced the scrap about 10% since we had those tables there.
A simple user-friendly computer program controls the AccuCut Shear feed table. The operator merely enters the cuts required from a sheet, or he can run one of over 400 cutting programs previously stored in the computer's memory. The carriage resets to a 0 point and moves to a load position determined by the computer to ensure least wasted travel and still leave plenty of space for sheet handling. The operator then places the sheet onto the tabletop, which features cushion-mounted ball transfers to minimize sheet marking and permit easy maneuverability. If desired, the operator can tell the program to raise the retractable squaring pin during loading. This will assure that the sheet is squared to the original trim cut before further cuts are made. The sheet's clamped into position when the operator steps on the convenient switch mat. He then pushes the go button mounted on the control center or the movable remote on the feed table. The carriage of the feed table moves forward, pushing the sheet through the shear to the first cut position. No back gauge is used. Cut measurements are calculated automatically with reference to the 0 point, and as the table fully supports the sheet, no sheet droop occurs that will affect blank size. The result is blanks consistently cut to within 5/1000ths of an inch of the desired length.
I believe it was a cut body, top, bottom, and the doors, all of the one, on the one sheet, one handed, which is very efficient.
Since the cumulative errors typical of back gauge shears are eliminated using the PMI AccuCut Shear feed table, you can now accurately cut a variety of blank sizes from a single sheet without time-consuming adjustments. As well, because measurements are made from a single point, and that point can be the same as that used on a turret press, you also have the ability to quickly and accurately separate nested parts.
With the PMI right now, one person could cut a sheet 120 by 48 in 2 inches straight within 1 minute.
How does the PMI system compare with a manually fed shear? An actual comparison went like this. 300 pieces, 50 in each of 6 different sizes, were required from 50 full sheets. Using a back gauge shear and a 2-man crew, the job was finished in 6.75 hours. Using the PMI system and a single operator, the time to complete the job was only 3.25 hours. That represents a savings of 3.5 machine hours and 10.25 man hours.
Anybody in a similar sort of a operation, that's a must, and to be competitive in today's business. Otherwise, for one thing, you want to have a quality product. Number 2, you're not efficient.
So our productivity has really gone up since we got the PMI. It's a great machine. We don't know what we'd do without it.
PMI's AccuCut 10 or 12 shear feed table offers all of the benefits of a fully automated shear for approximately 25% of the cost. It's sturdy, durable, and fully warranted for a year. Talk to a PMI representative and discover just how efficient your shearing operation could be. PMI, increasing productivity with consistent accuracy.